Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to verify your Discord account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to verify your Discord account, you'll need to verify both your phone number and your email address. So simply tap on the Discord app, tap on your profile and go on the gear-like icon on the top right hand side of the corner and tap on accounts. So to verify your account, you need to simply tap on email address and then tap on send verification code. So if you're going to do this, your email will get a verification code which you need to enter and verify your email address. Now simply tap on the phone number section, tap on the next option and then tap on are you human. After doing this, you will get a 6-digit code on your phone number as well, where you need to simply type in your password and verify that particular code. After doing this, you will be able to verify both your email address and phone number, which will allow you to verify your Discord account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.